Right now, we are in XY plane. Click on this home icon to go to the 3D plane. Select line and draw a triangle. Go to visual style, change visual style to shaded with edge. In this lecture, we will learn about extrude command. Extrude command is used to create a 3D body by extruding a 2D sketch. Select extrude command, select this line and this line. Right click and enter. Now drag the mouse and left click to end. You can see that it is not a 3D solid model, it is a surface model. Undo this model. To create a 3D model, we need to join these lines. Select whole sketch, go to modify and select join. Now select extrude, select the sketch, right click and enter. So in this way, we can create a 3D solid model from a 2D sketch. Draw a rectangle, select extrude, select this sketch, enter. Now select direction option, right click and select direction from here. Now specify the first point of direction, then specify the end point of direction. This will create a 3D model in the direction we have selected. This 3D model is extruded along this direction. So this is the extrude command in AutoCAD.